Alright guys, this recording is to help show you how to create a document and submit it in your first assignment for the protest music unit. So the first thing we're going to do is go down to here and scroll to Office 365. When that pops up, you should have a screen similar to this, and you're going to hit Microsoft Word. Once in Word, create a new document. So the first thing I want you to do is you're going to just put your name. And followed by protest unit assignment 1. Okay. Next we're going to make a table, something where we can put those important facts in there. So we're going to go to Insert, Table, and we have 4 things. We have the term, the definition, the reference, and then the purpose. And then we're going to make 3 deep, 1, 2, 3. So we have a 4 by 4 little graph. Let's say we did something wrong, or we just don't like what it looks like. We can just delete it. We can delete the whole table, a row, or a column. Okay. And then again, go back to Insert to Table. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we are going to put in the word term, definition, reference, and purpose. I forgot one more thing. You have to tell me which song that you chose. So mine was Marvin Gaye, What's Going On. Okay. And so the first term I want to use is going to be melody. So I'm going to go ahead and define melody, which is a series of notes that go up and down. Most memorable part of the song. Reference. Where did I hear it in the song? And think about like the time frame as well as a specific part. And then purpose. Why does the melody sound this way? Okay, so you're going to do that for your 3 terms. Once you have it, you're going to come up here, rename it protest, song assignment 1. And here's where we're going to go ahead and we're going to save as, and we're going to save and download a copy. And the reason why we're downloading a copy puts it right down here. When we go into identity, and we're going to go submit assignment, which is this key right here. Click on it, go down here to the bottom where it says choose file, and then go to your most recent downloads, and boom, there it is. Click on it, open, and you can submit the assignment. Congratulations, you finished.